Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to visit the Maukodok Bridge and currently we are here at the diversion point currently, and we'll be reaching in about 10 minutes. And you can see here the board here, the left road will go to, for people who come and get confused, you can just understand from this point that the left road will take you to Dauki side, which is about 65 kilometers from here. 58 kilometers from here. And if you take the right turn, you will be reaching Cherrapunji, which is about 30 kilometers or 35 kilometers from here. So today we don't have any stand for the camera, so I'll be just showing you places in between, and I'll be again recording after reaching the bridge. Today also Chitra is with me.
Hello guys.
And you can see this point. It's a very beautiful stop before the place we reach. So let us go. Yes friends, this is not that location which I told you earlier. Actually the police had stopped us due to coronavirus and lockdown. We are not allowed to go on that bridge, so we'll be visiting that place sometimes later. So we are heading to a new place now, and the name of the location is Elephant Falls, the Elephant Falls. And we just stopped here in between because this is a very wonderful view and I wanted to record it. So I feel that after this the location of the Elephant Falls will be of great interest to you all. So let us move ahead to that location. Yes friends, we have reached the venue. The do's and don'ts are given here. There is the parking, and this was the entry, and we will be going downstairs now. This is the Elephant Falls, the famous Elephant Falls. It has been said that the shape of the big rocks due to which the names have been given. And yes, you can get your photographs here when the normal situation will be there. Currently it is closed, and entry fees has also been increased from 20 rupees to 100 rupees. So 20 rupees to 100 rupees. And here is written that our PM has also visited this place on 28th of May 2016, and here hand washing stations have been installed. So we'll be entering now. As we have entered, this is the first level of the waterfalls, and you can see here what is the history of this place. Why Elephant Falls. You can pause the video and see. And here first falls, second falls and third falls, you can see this is the first fall. We'll be going now. And when we'll climb down the stairs, the other side, on the opposite side, we'll be reaching the main waterfalls. This is the first fall. And here Chitra is there. So you can see here. So we are going downstairs now to the second step and the main waterfalls. So just now you have seen the first step of the waterfall. So this pathway will take us to the main waterfalls. be going downstairs till that point, and here you can see that is the main falls. The water is a bit less today, and this is the second falls, and this is the main falls. And here is Chitra. We have almost reached the bottom of the waterfalls. You can see from here. Here it's written a precautionary message. Yes friends, we have come to the main point. This is the boundary here, and this is the main falls. This is the famous Elephant Falls of Shillong. So whenever you visit, you have to come here, and it's a lovely place here. The breeze is also very cool, and I mean you'll be having a wonderful time here. So now Chitra will say how is he feeling after coming here to this wonderful place.
I'm feeling great actually because it has been a long time that I didn't come to this place. So in Shillong they have opened up only two places. One is Words Lake and one is Elephant Falls. And it feels great. You can see the view in the back. And it takes just 20 minutes to reach here from Shillong. So we are having a great time.
So guys, I hope you have liked today's visit of this very famous place called the Elephant Falls. I hope whenever you will visit Shillong, you'll be visiting this place also, and the Matilang Park also. And here is Chitra signing off, and I'll be also seeing you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.